Navigating the future. Innovative marketing strategies for 2024 inches has taken you on a journey through the future of marketing. We've explored how artificial intelligence will tailor content for individual consumers, creating a deeper connection between brands and their audience. We've navigated the metaverse, where virtual and augmented realities converge, offering brands new channels to explore immersive experiences, virtual storefronts, and interactive campaigns. We've discussed how sustainability is becoming a compelling marketing tool, resonating with increasingly eco-conscious consumers. We've highlighted the explosion of social commerce, with social media platforms evolving into full-fledged marketplaces, offering seamless shopping experiences. We've underscored the importance of data-driven decisions, with advanced analytics, machine learning, and predictive modeling empowering marketers to optimize campaigns in real time. We've looked at the evolving influencer landscape, where authenticity, diversity, and micro-influencers offer genuine connections with niche audiences. We've delved into immersive video marketing, with augmented reality and virtual reality redefining how brands engage their audience. We've talked about voice search optimization, with conversational AI and natural language processing ensuring brands remain discoverable in a voice-driven era. And finally, we've emphasized the need for agile marketing methodologies, with brands that can adapt quickly, experiment, and iterate set to thrive in 2024. Innovation is the key to success in the dynamic landscape of marketing. The future belongs to those who navigate it with creativity and agility. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time.